guys, welcome back. You're watching Majak. This is Sachi, and today I've come up with this new video. So if you haven't watched this previous video, which I am going to link it up above here in the I button, where I showed you all how I grew my basil from seeds to plant. So if you have watched that video, today this is little offbeat video from the regular plant videos I do. So here I am showing how I used my basil on my pizza toppings. So this pizza is a very healthy version of the pizza we all eat, and yes, it included cheese because cheese is a good source of fat. And basically I have made this gluten free, so everything from the crust to the toppings, except for the cheese, everything was homemade. So yeah, I'll just show you a small clip which is going to be a raw footage because I had camera in a hand and I was also making it. So I just thought I'll share it with you. So this does not contain the entire recipe because I'm not a food expert. So basically the crust here, I have made it out of quinoa flour and the flax seeds, and it contains some soaked chia seeds to give it that binding thing. And also I used like prebiotic powder, so you can also use your fibers such as isabgol or something like that. So yeah, that was my recipe. It was my first try, though it turned out really good. Then I made this tomato topping at home. I just boiled single tomato and removed the skin of that and just grinded it, and I just cooked it in some ghee, homemade ghee, and some salt and pepper, and that's how I made my topping. And then you can use your favorite toppings. I used some capsicum, mushrooms, and etc over here. And then you use your cheese, favorite cheese. If you have a different type of cheese available, or you can make fresh cheese like ricotta or something, then it is well and good. And then I topped it with the main ingredient which I have grown from seeds to plant, that is called basil. So yes, this was all about showing how I use my basil. So if you really like this video, please let me know in the comment section below. So I keep trying few healthy recipes at home, so I'll surely make detailed videos on such food recipes. If you like it, please share it with your friends, and please do subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next plant video. Till then, take care. Bye.